Derek with Eliminex here. We're in Branchburg. I'm doing some bat proofing. We're doing a preliminary bat proofing, so I'm sealing up using some of this carbon fiber vent material, friction fit, and we got pure foam, non-expandable black foam with resin fiber, and it hardens like a rock. And I back that up with the wire screen, or in this case, the carbon mesh. And then I'm capping off some critical areas on this side. This side didn't have, I don't suspect activity coming in on this side, so I'm sealing up half the house right away. There's a couple points here. There's another point there, and then these under points are hollow. These corner moldings are hollow, so I sealed those up. And I'm working my way over here. Got about another hour to go. I'm gonna, seal up this critical point up here. And I already was in the attic, and I wired off the vent openings, the cutouts inside. It's just bug screen, so I used the wire, 19 gauge zinc plated wire, and screwed that into the frame, so nothing's going to get in there. And then after I pest proof this house, I'm going to install a couple one-ways on the other side, so for any bad activity, they can escape during the peak season before they start breeding. I'll get into it a little later about bat biology. They don't hibernate, they are active. It's just they're very dormant this time of the year. So about a good 3 months. But they'll be out soon. About another 6 weeks. It's really mild winter. It's like mid-January and it's like 45 degrees. Kids are playing. But when things start opening up, it's going to be crazy. School's already open. So that's why you see kids are all lively. So it's like summer for them, going to school. That's a good sign. Alright, so I'm going to finish up here. I just wanted to document this. This is obviously not Instagram friendly. I already documented the inspection on my Instagram. I'm going to post this on YouTube.